Alright, what's up guys? Mo% Want Gaming here. And today we're going to be fixing the front suspension on my Lamborghini. No, Corvette. And as you can see, this is my side project, which I won't really make a video on. Well, not the restoration anyways. But, I hadn't finished the engine yet. Oh, hang on. What do I have a bunch of spark plugs for? Did I forget to make these performance spark plugs? Hang on. What are the ignition coils even? What are they even covering? Where are the... Oh. Okay, here. Yeah, I thought the ignition coils would be over spark plugs like in the other modern engines. Yeah, I'm just gonna fix the engine and put it back together, and I'll be right back. Alright, I put the engine back together, and now we're gonna quick work on the front suspension. That steering knuckle doesn't look too bad. Looks almost brand new. Almost. $55 down. Alright. Got the full restoration. Because I know you guys wouldn't watch that. I know you. Yeah. So now we're going to do a dyno pull for selling this. Oh, and a raise, of course. Every time I forget to put oil in the engine. But thank goodness they remind me to. Those over. I think. I don't know. I've never really heard an engine without oil before, but I can't imagine it's gonna sound good. Alright. Okay, that's a pretty good curve. Oh, 1,164 horsepower. Dang, that's not bad. Not bad at all. I mean, torque is kind of trash, but now you guys really want to see us drive, but you want to see it drive well, don't you? All right. I don't know if that made it worth any more, but let's take this to the track. Okay, still got 4 minutes to record. Yikes. It still spins. Alright, that's gonna be it. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to see me sell this if you want. See ya.